So this is the Ryoboi impact driver P23 4G 18 volt 3200 IPM. It has a lithium ion and 18 volt battery, and it has a 1500 pounds of torque. So this is the front of the drill right there, right here. And see it spinning around. It's like you pull the trigger and that's how much speed you get. There's no 1, 2, or 3 speed like some of them have, the higher end ones. This is a very nice drill. It's an 18 volt lithium ion battery. It's the Ryoboi 1 Plus battery system, which means is this battery is compatible with the green and the blue Ryoboi set. You can use this for the saws, the grinders, whatever tool you want with Ryoboi 18 volt 1 Plus battery system.